Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigator and this is a weekly market forecast for the week of February 15, 2021. When we are coming to a holiday in mid-February, most Americans have thoughts of chocolate, flowers, or a share meal with a loved one, as Valentine's Day occurs this Sunday, February 14. Some are looking forward to a 3-day weekend, as the President's Day holiday means that the equity markets will be closed on Monday, February 15. However, this weekend also brings about the start of another Lunar New Year, which begins Friday, February 12 and runs to the January 31st, 2022. According to Vietnamese zodiac, 2021 is the year of the ox. Welcome to the year of the ox, especially the year of the middle ox. At its lunar year, it's represented by one of the 12 animals and one of the 5 base elements. The ox is the second animal in the horoscope of 12-year cycle. The last time the ox showed up its horn was in 2009 after the global financial market crisis. We are hopeful this faithful will pull us out of a slump once again. The ox is meant to represent a hard-working nature and mobility, while the middle aspect of the year emphasizes on the metal industry. Does this mean that the world will be more mobile this year than it was during the pandemic in the last year? The answer is nobody knows, but we can certainly hope. We think it would be interesting to see how domestic equity markets have performed in the prior years of the ox. If you look at the table here, there have been 10 years of the ox since 1900. 6 of those years saw both of the Dow Jones Industrial Average and the S&P 500 Index post positive return in a cumulative average gain of about 13.3% for the SPX. Interesting enough, for both index have post positive return exceeding 15% in of the last 3 years, that including the year 1985, 1987, 2009, and although it would certainly be nice to have this trend of a positive return for the equity markets continue, only time will tell if the nature of this year will the middle ox, it will carry over to the future role in the equity market. Last week, after a couple of days moving sideways, the market found support at an important level based on a technical analysis. The market continued to make an all-time high on Friday with a strong momentum. The increased market breadth is healthy and further underscored the strength in the market's recent rally. The markets still have room to grow as long as the Fed continues to pump the money to support for the market for recovery. If you have been following me in my YouTube channel, every day in our live trading room with our members, I look at the chart to analyze and give out short-term price direction to make some extra daily income and analyze the swing trade stock price direction so that we can all make a bigger profit potential. I will continue to update during the week, so make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel so I can notify you on the new update. Remember, trading is a risky business. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Trading involves significant knowledge of the market. Successful traders require much more than a good strategy. It requires discipline, patience, daily guiding, and a lot of experience from practice. You need to know when to make a trade, when to stay away, and need to know how to set up and read the trading chart correctly. No one jump right in and instantly become a successful. Most traders losing money because they keep chasing to buy pump and dump and the Reddit stock that keep listening to the news and their fan for the tip. That's why as stock navigators, we will help you to learn and understand how to read the price action on the price chart by using a modern technical analysis and understand the crowd psychology combined with pattern recognition and money management so that you can buy with high probability of winning and a low risk trade. You need to learn how to read and analyze the chart before you start buying any stock so that you can manage your own financial future. But we understand it's very hard for you to know everything overnight, so we will mentor you every week until you are successful and we will guide you every day in our live trading room so that you can follow along and you can add and see how the price action in real time, so you can make some extra daily income and manage your own stock portfolio. Now let's take a look on the chart, especially on the main index, so that we can see where we are. So first of all, we look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average. So right now, as you can see, that the market is still in the uptrend. On Friday, the market is still put it back, and then we are still in the uptrend. For the Russell 2000, it also make an all-time high. They pull back, and then they try to run up again. The Nasdaq, it also, the technology stock is still doing very well. As you see that the market continue to put to the upside. The S&P 500, SPY, it also make an all-time high, and they gain more momentum on Friday. So you can see that, you know, the SPY and the technology stock, they are the leading of the market right now. And if you look at the semiconductor, that the main high demand sector that still put the market to the up high, and a lot of stock in this sector like Applied Material is still very strong, KLAC, Lam Research, those stock, Nvidia, okay, those stock is very strong, and then they always try to find a way to put it back up. And if you look at the couple sector that doing well at the XLV, which is the healthcare sector, they're also very strong. They go up, they pull back, now they find a way to put it back up again. A lot of stock in this sector like ONEM is still very strong, even though they are a little bit extended there. Guidance Health is also very strong. You see, since last week, they continue to put it back up. mRNA, that's another leading vaccine for coronavirus, is still very strong. And EBS, that's another stock, it still continue to put it to the upside. And anything that relate to the bio healthcare, they're also doing very well. And Johnson Johnson, that's another stock, it's very strong in the bio sector. And the financial sector, the XLF, also very strong. As you can see here, last week they continue to pump to the upside. If they be able to break out this level here, the financial market will be a leading sector for the 2021. As you can see, a very strong momentum there. So a lot of stock in this sector is doing well, like Bank of America, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, as you can see here, and AIG, the regional bank, they're also very strong. And another sector is the energy sector. As you can see that with the oil continue to put to the upside, the energy sector is still doing very well. And a lot of stock in this sector is like ExxonMobil, OXY, they're also strong, VLO. This one is very strong. So this is just a couple of names that we just show you here. And another sector is XLC, which is the communication service, especially digital communication service. They're doing very well. A lot of stock in this sector is also doing well. We highlight a couple of them. It's still very strong. TON, that's another one, and then CSA, okay, they all are very strong. Okay, so that's how that's a lot of stock that we try to show you here. This is just a few of the stock that we highlight for you here in our live trading room. Every day we analyze a lot more stock in the real time with our members, so that we can follow along and know when to get in and when to get out and to take a profit. If you're busy working, you can subscribe to our Wall Street Premium Watchlist, where we handpick about 3-4 stocks per week, and we analyze in detail with the entry, stop, and target. So that's what you have. So a lot of sector is also very strong. A lot of index very strong. Like you can see, the Bitcoin, it continue to push it back up after they found a support at our buy zone. And if you are a member of Stock Navigator, you will know why this one is a buy zone and why they have to bounce back from this level from here. The goal is still in the sideways, in the downside. They've tried to find a support. Let's see if they're able to push it back up. The crude oil is very strong. Last week you can see that the momentum is strong and then try to put it back to the upside. And that I think that's all we have for you this week. So I hope that you learn something. When every day I try to show you guys something. If you would like to learn more and understand how to read the chart by using a modern technical analysis, you can check out our website at stocknavigators.com. Again, thank you for watching, and please do not forget to hit the thumb up button above. Okay, I will see you during the week. Take care everyone, and good luck.